Can't stay focused for more than 5 minutes? Here are 20 ways to sharpen your brain and lock in your attention permanently. 1. Cut the noise. Turn off notifications. Yes, all of them. 2. Try the Pomodoro technique. 25 mins work, 5 mins break. Works like magic. 3. Hydrate your brain. Dehydration equals mental fog. Drink water first. 4. Block distractions with apps. Use focus mode or apps like Forest and Freedom. 5. Start with one task. Multitasking kills focus. Go monotask. 6. Set clear goals. Know exactly what you're working on. 7. Work in a clean space. Clutter equals chaos for your brain. 8. Use background focus music, lo-fi, binaural beats, or silence. 9. Cut sugar plus junk. They crash your energy and focus. 10. Move your body. Even 10 mins of walking boosts focus. 11. Journal your brain dump. Get distracting thoughts out of your head. 12. Use a focus trigger. Same song, smell, or seat. Each shows mental cue to lock in. 13. Take full screen seriously. 1 app. No tabs. Maximize window. 14. Sleep like a lion. 7 to 8 hours equals better memory plus focus. 15. Eat brain food. Eggs, nuts, berries, greens. Fuel that mental machine. 16. Practice daily meditation. Even 5 minutes trains your attention muscle. 17. Say no more often. Don't overload your brain with 100 commitments. 18. Read more books. Strengthens attention span like a workout. 19. Track your focus time. Use apps or journals to measure and improve. 20. Just start. Action beats planning. Start now. Focus is a skill. And now you've got 20 ways to train it. Start with one today. And never lose your edge again.